Welcome to another Triple F session with your war chef. It's all about food, fun and fitness. Lot of people asked about the gunpowder. So today I'm going to teach you Three Sisters gunpowder. So this Three Sisters gunpowder, you got to have 3 leaves. Each one is potent by itself, but each one has a purpose. The first leaf is tamarind leaf. You know, the tender ones we make a nice mutton curry, dal and all that. This tamarind leaf is got the sourness. It's like a kiss that you don't want to let go. That sourness and the beauty of this tamarind leaf. The next is the aroma. Aroma curry leaf. So these leaf, if you give a hug, the aroma is so beautiful, you don't want to let it go. So the aroma for this gunpowder comes from the curry leaf. And Moringa leaf. This doesn't have much taste nor the aroma, but it is what will make your gun salute. So the very potent, the Moringa leaf. We're going to use all these 3 leaves along with another 17, 18 other ingredients. Totally we're going to use around 20 ingredients. You can use 30 ingredients or you can make this with 10 ingredients as you wish. Only thing that matters is it has to salute your gun. समझदार को इशारा काफ़ी है. When we make these gunpowders in the hotel, we dry roast each ingredients to perfection separately. But when you are making a small quantity, you take the bigger ingredients like red chili, flax seeds, rice. You can use basmati rice, black rice, any rice you want. This will give that nice extra crunch. Chana dal, urad dal, peanuts, coriander seeds, black pepper. Dry roast these ingredients on a slow flame till you get that nice roasted aroma. It took around 7 minutes of slow flame. Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. The mustard, fennel, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, very little of it, sesame seeds. Now in this we're going to add some hing. This will give a nice flavor for your gunpowder, some turmeric and also some good jaggery, very little. Keep mixing, add garlic. The more garlic you add, the super it will be. Now 3 sisters. The aroma sister, the taste sister and the salute sister. All these leaves and slowly keep mixing till some of the moisture is gone. Then you're going to switch off the flame and let it sit for 10 minutes. Only after that you will make it into a powder. Only when you see that much of the moisture from the leaves is also gone, then let it cool down. While it's cooling also, try and mix it. Then put it in a blender and make it into a coarse powder. Add salt. Dear friends, our 3 sister gunpowder is ready and I love to eat this with my curd. So usually what I do is 1 full spoon of gunpowder I add to my curd and then I go absolutely boomba boomba with this. Now you can taste that sourness from the tamarind leaf and the awesome aroma from curry leaves. And from the moringa leaf, later in the day or in the night, you will experience the potency. Dear friends, this is what I say, absolutely boomba boomba. This 20 ingredient 3 sisters gunpowder is excellent on my 10 vegetable omelette. Pour some water in the pan, add 10 vegetables of your choice. A little bit of salt, a little bit of rasam or sambar powder for South Indians, chana masala for North Indians. Not too much water, very little. Break 2 eggs. Whisk the eggs and pour these eggs on top of these vegetables. Just spread it on top. the Three Sisters gunpowder on top of my no oil omelette. I throw in lot of this Three Sisters gunpowder, put the lid on and let it steam for 1.5 minutes. That's it. Your omelette is ready. This is our Three Sister gunpowder omelette. So slide it. Perfect. Three Sister 10 vegetable omelette. Aha. You have seen the awesome exercise right from our evolution as human beings.